The Philippines, a culturally diverse country with an estimated 14 to 17 million indigenous peoples belonging to 110 ethno-linguistic groups. They are mainly concentrated in northern Luzon and Mindanao, with some groups in the Visayas area. Caraga served as a haven for the indigenous peoples. The Ipis live in ancestral territories richly endowed with natural resources. In Caraga region, the estimated populations of indigenous peoples were about 81,707 based from the approved Cattis. There are 6 major tribes living in ancestral lands. They are Manobo, Mamanwa, Banwaon, Higaunon, Mandaya, and Talaandig. The Manobo name came from Mansuba, from man or person to person, and the term Suba or river, meaning river people. The first Manobo settlers lived in northern Mindanao. The Manobo are both strong in mind and spirit. Their cultural identity is firmly rooted in the land and its nature. The word Mamanwa means first forest dwellers. From the words man means first and Banwa means forest. They speak their own language, which they call Minamanwa. The Mamanwas rely on the subsistence economy, which is hand-to-mouth existence, and the political system is largely based on respect for elders who exerts control over judicial affairs and maintains peace and order within the band. Most of the Mamanwas who left their residences adjacent to bodies of water moved and lived in the mountains of Agusan del Norte, Surigao del Norte, and Surigao del Sur. The term Banwaon was derived from the root word Banwa, which means permanency of residence in just one place. They learned their customs and traditions from Supreme Being at the time the world was created. The Banwaon tribe was earlier known as Bilao, meaning dislike to mingle with strangers. Those were the times when Banwaon, or Bilao tribe, was passionately opposed to the violation or destruction of their environment. The indigenous tribes of the Higaunon shares a common root language, history, and culture. They can be found in northern and central regions of the island of Mindanao. The Higaunon people were originally called by the outsiders as Higadnon, meaning seaside dwellers. It was changed to Higaunon when they were forced to move upland. The culture of Higaunon tribe can be best described as a culture of peace, for solving their conflicts or settle feuds among other groups. Mandaya have one of the richest cultural heritage among ethnic groups. Their name denotes the first people upstream and derived from men means first and Daya means upstream or upper portion of river. The traditional governance of the Mandaya displays a strong leadership. Customary laws are observed and stiff penalties are imposed. Acceptance and respect by the community makes a tribal governance work. The Talaandig is one of the few earliest tribes in Mindanao. Their ancestry came from Apo Agbibilin and Apo Ginamayon, who both survived the Great Flood. The word Talaandig came from 2 root words. Talaan, meaning to be marked with, noted, trustworthy, or respectable, and Andig, which was derived from the word sandig or to lean upon. Caraga region has 21 approved certificate of ancestral domain title with a total area of 496,436.39 hectares. 4 Cattis are in Agusan del Norte, having 68,550.52 hectares with 17,808 beneficiaries. First is the Catti 092, covering Cabadbaran, Tubay, and portion of Santiago. Second is the CADTI 134, which include sitios and barangays Mayoos, Apa-Apa, Cuyo River, Mailag, and Pingutan, all in the municipality of Habonga. Barangays Pangailan, Kadahon-Dahunan, Kasagayan, Maraat, Bolo, Nagtalo, Ilong-Ilong, Palo 12, Kapakwan, Tomarong, Dagusan, and Sagbungan, all in the municipality of Santiago. Barangays Kanaway, Zapanta Valley, and Mahayahay, all in the municipality of Kitcharal. Third is the CADTI 118, covering Barangay Lawan-Lawan of the municipality of Las Nieves. And lastly, CADTI 135, covering Barangay Anticala and portion of Barangay Pianing, Butuan City. 9 CADTIs of Agusan del Sur, having 248,575.56 hectares with 42,829 beneficiaries. They are the following. First is the CADTI 078, which include Barangays Cabantao, Marfil, Maligaya, Wasian, Santa Cruz, and Bayugan 3, all in the municipality of Rosario. Barangay San Vicente, San Isidro, and Soriano, all in the municipality of Tagbina, Surigao del Sur. Second is the CADTI 142, covering Sitio Palibo of Barangay Novel, municipality of Rosario. Third is the CADTI 136, which include Barangays Poblacion, Emelda, Consuelo, Bunawan Brook, Nueva Era, San Andres, San Chodoro, Mambalili, San Marcos, and Libertad, all in the municipality of Bunawan. Fourth is the CADTI 089, covering municipalities of Veruela and Santa Josefa. Fifth is the CADTI 090, which includes barangay and portion of Poblacion in the municipality of Loreto. Sixth is the CADTI 079, covering Barangay Binikalan in the municipality of San Luis. Seventh is the CADTI 117, covering Barangay Kasapa 2 in the municipality of Loreto. Eighth is the CADTI 077, covering Barangays Kauswagan, La Flora, Maharlika, and Sabang Hibong, all in the municipality of Talacogon. And lastly, CADTI 093, covering Barangays Padiay, Kulambugan, Tered, Santa Cruz, San Isidro, Banagbanag, New Tubigon, Sitio San Roque, Magsaysay, Purok 4, 5, 6, and 7, Villangit, El Rio, Del Rosario, Mahayahay, Magkalapi, Santa Maria, all in the municipality of Sibagat. Surigao del Norte has one approved CADTI with a total area of 48,870.03 hectares and 1,751 Mamanwa beneficiaries. CADTI 048 covered the municipalities of Alegria, Bacuag, Claver, Higakit, and Tubod. CADTIs of Surigao del Sur has a total area of 130,440.28 hectares with 19,319 beneficiaries. First is the CADTI 002, includes Barangay Pakwan in the municipality of Lanusa, portions of Kalatngan, Maitom, Mabuhay, Cayale, and Cabangahan in the municipality of San Miguel, and adjacent portions of the municipality of Tandag and Tago. Second is the CADTI 114, covering Sitio Daat of Barangay Buenavista and Barangay Pangi in the city of Tandag, Sitio Loboon of Barangay Mabahin, Barangay Tigao, and Barangay Burgos in the municipality of Cortes, Sitio Katugpas, Barangay Norcia, Sitio Olivas of Barangay Sibahay, and Barangay Mampi in the municipality of Lanusa. Third is the Kadti 153, which include Purok Mamon, Barangay Tubo-Tubo, Sitios Cagbarao, and Hinayhayan of Barangay Bacolod in the municipality of Caguait. Portion of Sitio Hapnit, Barangay San Pedro in the municipality of Marihata, and portion of Sitio Tagkarait, Barangay Panawsawon in the municipality of Bayabas. Fourth is the Kadti 115, covering Sitio Hitaob of Barangay Akustan, Sitio Suba of Barangay Mabuhay, Sitio Banahaw, Sitio Puog of Barangay Maitom, all in Tandag City. Barangay Kayale of Tago, Sitio Gimatagan of Barangay Agsam, Sitio Ibuan of Barangay Mampi, all in Lanusa. Sitio Hubasan, Poblasyon of Carmen. Fifth is the Kadti 116, covering the municipality of San Miguel. Sixth is the Kadti 210, covering Barangay Raha Kabunsuan and portions of Barangay Bugak, all in the municipality of Lingig. And lastly, Kadti 070, covering Barangay Pamaypayan, Sitio Sikahoy, and Barangay San Jose, all within Bislig City. Lumadnong panaglambig itay alang sa kalinaw ug kalambuan sa Caraga.